We've looked at the HCRs for a number of years. We actually put in some small openings at one of our facilities in Benson, North Carolina, around some conveyor belts back in 1997. We've looked at them at each facility we've done since. There are two main reasons that held us off till now. I think one was the expense of the door, and the other piece was just that gaping hole, if you will, and going from a dock into a freezer. And would these doors really work? Would they keep you frost free? And do you want to pay a couple, 3 times over, a fast biparting door? On this Elkton facility, our focus has been to build an energy efficient facility. We went with fluorescent lighting. We went with bi-level lighting in the freezer, and with deregulation on power and the kilowatt cost going up as a result of that, we wanted to give these HCR doors a try. We've gotten tired of chip and ice. We've tried the solid doors. You get 1 or 2 impacts from a forklift, and those are inefficient from that point forward. We've gone with a high-speed, flexible biparting doors. Those work well for our operations in that they're fast, but they wear over time, and it creates the need to have 2 doors. You need one for an in, one for an out. We decided to go with a 3 CAV on Elkton because it gives us clear visibility. Our hope was we wouldn't have to be chipping ice off the floor, and so far it's turned out to be that way. I think after Joe Morris and I decided to make the decision to go with HCR, I got nervous during the construction process. I'm looking at these 4 big holes surrounding our freezer box, and I started thinking, is this going to work? Am I going to be able to operate around the clock like we need with high traffic? And am I going to just have an ice slick in the doorway? After working with these for about a month, I can say we are very pleased with the performance. We are totally frost-free. We're safe because we're wide open, and we can look all the way from one end of the facility to another through 3 temperature zones. As far as capacity in the engine room, we're actually running less horsepower per square foot at this facility than at any other Burris location right now. So to date, we're pleased.